Hey YouTube, it's Dev here. Today we're going to make a quick video on some Python programming. What we're going to be doing today is writing and reading to a text file using Python programming. Before I get started with the video, I'd like to say thank you very much for everyone who subscribed to my channel so far. I just hit 20 subscribers as of last night. So thank you very much. I appreciate the continued support. I appreciate the likes on my videos, and I appreciate comments, and I appreciate everything anyone's done for me so far in my YouTube time. I don't make a lot of videos, but when I do make videos and I get good feedback, I really do appreciate that. So it makes me feel like I'm doing something decent. I'm doing a good job to kind of give you guys some decent stuff to watch and learn from. So thank you for that. Going into the video now. Reading and writing to Python or text files using Python is very important because you can essentially write in your data. You can write in your data and save your data to a text file and read from that data instead of having to save it into a variable and retain it as much as possible. You can just put it into a text file and it won't change unless you change it yourself. So it's very useful and very helpful, especially if you're doing stuff that involves storing a lot of data. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called file, and with this you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to call mine file. So what we're going to do from here is you're going to open a file, and we're going to call it text.txt, and we're going to do w plus. So basically what this doing is So what we're doing here is basically we're going to have we have our variable called file. What that's going to do is going to open a file called text.txt, and then W means write to the file, and the plus means create the file if it's not already created. So since we don't have it created, we want to create one. Next, what we're going to do is file.write. Write, and we'll say my name is Dev, and thank you for 20 subs. Oops. And then file.close. So basically all that's going to do is open a file called text.txt. We're going to write to it. We're going to say my name is Dev and thank you for 20 subs, and we're going to close it. So let's go ahead and run this bad boy. Press continue. Done that. Then you're going to go to your C drive, users, your name, source, repos, read write. I call it read write. So the file folder and the folder and the file folder. And it's right here, text.txt. And so there you go. Now, instead of having to go through all that baloney, what you can do is print those contents to your console on Python. So from here, what we're going to do now is something very simple. We're going to say file equals open text.txt r. So the R means read, W means write, and there's some other ones out there, but those aren't important for now, so we're not going to put those in your head. So now what we're going to do is say contents equals file dot read, and you're going to print contents. So again, all it's going to do is create the file, text.txt. It's going to write to it. My name is Devin. Thank you for 20 subs. And you're going to say whatever you want. Then we're going to do file equals open text, that same text file, and we're going to read from it. And then we're going to use our library to read the file and print those contents to the console. So press S5. And there's that. Thank you for 20 subs. So I know that was really quick, but I mean, that's all there is to it. You can add whatever you want. There are different options out there. You can append the text to it. That way, if you want to add more, you could do, I believe, this is not something I do very often, but this is a total guess. Welcome to the jungle. One of my favorite things to say for no reason. Again, if this doesn't work, I'm not really I just want to show you kind of how my brain kind of operates when I try to do programming stuff. So there we go. So it appended it to the end of the text. So instead of erasing this first part, which it will do if you don't append it with this A here, it will erase it. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I do appreciate, again, your support and subscribing and likes and stuff to my videos. It's helping me. Well, it's making me feel like I'm doing something good. So it makes me happy. If you guys have any questions about Python stuff, please put them in the comment section below. Do not hesitate. I'm not a Python genius developer guy, but I do know enough to where I can help you guys get the basics down and go from there. So again, thank you for watching and have a great day, guys.